see about Parkes plot. Parkes plot so is a graph is used to represent the statistical data based on the minimum quartile, first quartile, median value on third quartile, and maximum value of the given data. So it's look like a rectangle with the lines and extending with the from top and bottom. So it will be used only for the statistical information on the distribution data. And using that Parkes plot method, we can create the Parkes plot. Parkes plot is constructed based on the five values: minimum, maximum value, first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. See, considered here the given data is 59 to 77. In that minimum value is 59 and maximum value is 77. And then second quarter that median value, how to we have to find arrange ascending order and then split into two half. And the center value, suppose the total number is even, means the center value come two values, so we have to add and divide by 2. Suppose the total number value is the add value, means just to center only one number will come, that is the median. And first quartile 64.5, how it's calculated? After found the median, we have to separate in two half. From the first half we have to find the median. Sorry, likewise third quartile also in the second half, after find the median, second half also we have to find out the median value, that is the third quartile. See the diagram. So minimum value is represented in the box. First quartile, that is a median, medium, and then third quartile and maximum value. And the box is calculated as an interquartile range. And next, it's a simple box plot how to draw. You have to import that pie plot method from Matplotlib library and give the data in assigned to the TX. And just to pass X into Parkes plot method, and using so method we can see the graph like this. So Parkes plot will come like this. And next we can set the notch properties in the box plot method. If you are giving notch equal to true, means the box will be changed like that. And next we can set vertical equal to false in the box plot to display that box plot in a horizontal format instead of vertical. By default is vertical format, but if we set false vertical attribute, then it will come in a horizontal format. And next we can draw the two Parkes plot. One is X list, another one is Y list. That is, we passed into two Parkes plot method, then we can get the two boxes. And here also we are going to draw the two boxes using a single Parkes plot function. How means, see here, xy values, a separate value be passed into that list variable data to plot equal to x comma y. The two list will be passed, and then data to plot list variable, multi-list variable passed to the Parkes plot function. Then we get the two. And next subplots also. Uh, so subplots, we already know that in one figure two subplots is drawing, and subplot functions, the first number 2 indicates the number of figures and 1 indicates the rows, and then another 2 is indicates the column, second column. And the next, in the box plot we can use whisker properties, box properties, and flyer properties. So whisker properties nothing but set the median line colors we can set, and then whisker property variable assigned to line props, that is line prop equal to dictionary of color equal to red is given. So everything is to be converted into dictionary format. We are going to assign whisker properties in the Parkes plot, it should be a dictionary format, so it's converted in dictionary. And box property means it said the boxes line and play. and batch or trist is used, that is boolean property. If we set batch or trist equal to true, then only we can fill the color in the boxes. So here, so 3 boxes are drawn and filled with the color also, because a batch order is equal to true is given. And then, so I already told patch order is equal to true means we can colorize the box, whisker, cap property, everything. So before that we have to give that patch order is. So the box plot will be assigned to the variable pp. From the pp variable we can list, it will be assigned, so the entire box will be assigned to pp. So only we want set color in the boxes in the rectangle in the box plot graph, means we have to retrieve ppr square bracket inside boxes, then only that extract the boxes from that entire graph. So for it will be assigned to the variable p, and we are setting, why we are setting for loop means here the 2 boxes are drawn, so one by one we are setting the color red and line with also 3. Face color means it is a fill color, yellow color is filled, so yellow color is filled. You can set the whisker colors using by extracting pp of whiskers. See, magenta color is applied, that is that the line. And likewise, next we can set the cap colors. See here the figure is coming green color. So by extracting pp of cap, so we can set the cap color. And also median color also we can set by extracting medians. And the next we can set xtick property. Xtick's white X is common for all graph. So likewise other graphs in the pass plot also we can set xticks for 2 boxes. See here the label is A and B set for the 2